Good morning, students. Welcome back in our New Era Public Schools second English class. Today we will start our chapter 9 A Clock for Swallow यानी swallow के लिए sweater. And the summary of this chapter is It was a winter day. यह एक सर्दियों का दिन था. A swallow was shivering from cold. एक swallow कांप रहा था सर्दी से. Because क्योंकि it was the time for him to fly away. क्योंकि ये वो समय था उसके दूर उड़ जाने का. उस जगह पर जहाँ पर वो था. The owl had an idea. Owl को एक उपाय आया. He gathered some feathers with his friends. उसने some यानी कुछ पंख gathered यानी इकट्ठे किए with his friends यानी अपने मित्रों के साथ. And began to weave और उसने उन्हें बुनना चालू किया. The moon also helped them. मून यानी चंद्रमा ने भी उनकी मदद करी. किस काम में? उन पंखों को बुनने में. They made a clock for swallow. और उन्होंने swallow के लिए एक स्वेटर बनाया. It was shining with silver threads. और वो सिल्वर थ्रेड्स यानी चांदी के धागों की जैसे जगमगा रही थी, शाइनिंग कर रही थी, चमक रही थी. Swallow started his journey with warm and cheerful. और इसके बाद swallow ने अपनी यात्रा स्टार्टेड करी यानी चालू करी किसके साथ? वार्म यानी गर्माहट और cheerful यानी खुशी के साथ. Now, look at scene passage 1. We will finish it easily by the morning, said Swan. Swan ने कहा, हम इसे सरलता से सुबह तक बना लेंगे. If we start now, अगर हम इसे अभी बनाना चालू कर दें तो. We will have to work all night, said Kingfisher. Kingfisher ने कहा कि हमें पूरी रात काम करना होगा. So they gathered some feathers and began to weave them together. और इसलिए उन्होंने कुछ पंख इकट्ठे किए और सभी ने मिलकर उसे बुनना चालू कर दिया. Moon shone down and gave them light. चंद्रमा तेजी से चमका and gave them light और उन्हें रोशनी दी. Now, we will give these questions answer according to this scene passage. Look at question number 1. Who said we will have to work all night? Who said this line? So, according to this passage, who said this line? Kingfisher said this line. Look here. We will have to work all night, said Kingfisher. So we will write here this answer. The Kingfisher said this. Full stop. Now look at next question. What did the birds do after gathering some feathers? यानी बर्ड्स ने पक्षियों ने पंखों को इकट्ठा करने के बाद क्या किया? तो what did they do? They began to weave them together. So we will write this answer here. The birds began to weave them together after gathering some feathers. Now look at question number 3. What did moon do while they were working? They were working. Who were working? The birds were working. What did moon do? Moon shone down and gave them light when they were working. While they were working. So we will write this answer here. Moon shone down and gave them light. Now look at question number 4. Write word meaning of collected. And the word meaning of collected is gathered. G-A-T-H-E-R-E-D, gathered. Now take out page number 44 and look at scene passage 2 in page number 44. It is too cold here, he cried. वो चिल्लाया, यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी है. I must leave early this time. मुझे जल्दी ही यहाँ से चले जाना चाहिए. I can wish my friends goodbye. मैं अपने मित्रों को goodbye कह सकता हूँ. And then get ready for my journey. और उसके बाद मुझे अपनी यात्रा के लिए तैयार होना है. Now look at question number 1. Why did Swallow want to wish his friends goodbye? Swallow अपने मित्रों को wish करना क्यों चाहता था? So the answer is because it is too cold here, so that Swallow want to wish her friends goodbye. Swallow wanted to wish his friends goodbye because it was too cold. It was too cold there. वहाँ बहुत सर्दी थी. And he must leave early this time. और उसको यहाँ से जरूर उड़ जाना चाहिए था. Now look at question number 2. Who cried? It is too cold here. So who cried? He cried. And who is he? He is Swallow. Means Swallow cried. Now look at question number 3. Write word meaning of an act of traveling from one place to another. And the word meaning of this is journey. So we will write here Journey. 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 Now look at question number 4. Write past form of cry. And the past form of cry is cried. C-R-I-E-D. Cried. And we took it from this passage. Okay, students? Hope you will do this work in very beautiful handwriting in your revision sheet. Till then, our next video. Goodbye, everyone.